How's it going there, YouTube? Coming at you with a very special video today. So I was digging through some of my old photos and videos and archives, and I found one of the very first big builds that I ever did. And this was well over a decade ago, but very still special to my heart. Missed that car. It was an awesome, fun little ride. But, it was only 212s on a 2,000 watt amp, but at the time I felt like I was on the top of the world, like I was the coolest thing. But, definitely have grown since then, definitely have gone into bigger and better things. But just a great reminder of, where I started from. Again, I've had stereos before this, but this was one of kind of the first bigger builds that I did where I did a little bit of custom work. So anyway, I thought you guys would enjoy. It's mostly a slideshow. I am commentating through the whole thing, but there is a demo at the end of it. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end, okay? But hope you guys enjoy.
Let's get schwindy.
All right, full electrical system upgrade. Looks like I'm rocking two 12-inch Champion Pro subs, Premier SPL 2,000 watt amp, street wires, 0 gauge, 150 amp high output, 4 Farad capacitor. Man, that's gangster reserve. Optima yellow top, old school, big 3, Pioneer deck, 6x9s, custom box, and amp rack. All right, let's see what I did here. Oh my gosh. Empty shell, stripped out the interior of the cargo. Good old cardboard box method there. That's gangster right there. Making the base plate, the floor to hold everything. More cutouts, templates. Oh yeah. There's the jigsaw right there. That's my bread and butter. No fancy CNC machines. There I go, jigsawing away. More templates. Looks like I'm building the faceplate there for everything. Another view. That's gonna be for the amp. That's the beauty panel. That's gonna hold the amp. That's the platform for the amplifier. There you go. Great stuff, man. Isn't it great? Only if you don't see it. So there it is coming together. That's the gear. Look at that DB link capacitor. Man, what a waste of money. There's the factory alternator. Well, getting that sucker out from underneath. Putting in that high output 150 amp. There it is. Like 150 amp is high output these days. Got the new one installed. Look at that, street wires. Crappy factory grounds. Doing the big 3 right there. Getting a 0 gauge put in. Routing it through the engine. There we go. Sanded down to bare metal. Making it look pretty. There we go, that Optima yellow top battery right there with kicker terminals. I thought that was so cool. Clean engine bay though. Put a lot of work into that. There's those subs there. Gosh, when I got those, I thought those things were monsters. They don't even compare to my ZB5s now. There we go. Some of that good old batting there to make the box appear bigger, right? There's my custom port there. It's an external port. You'll see it better in another picture. Doing some custom cutout and relief there with the Mitsubishi logo. This is a Mitsubishi Eclipse, by the way. Yeah. I was actually showcasing the capacitor like it was so cool. Like, oh my God, focus on this. Boom. Wow. There's the amplifier. That was actually a really good amp. It's the Pioneer Premier Series SPL amp, 2,000 watt, and that was conservatively rated. It was actually a really good amp. Don't have it anymore though. Don't know what happened to it. There you go there. And there you go. Right there in the picture, you can see the external port. There's one on each side. It was tuned pretty high. It was tuned to 38 Hertz, I believe it is. But yeah, what did I know back then? There's the final result, all buttoned up, looking pretty good. And those ports there that you see are just kind of there.
All right, here is a demo of the completed stereo system. I'm going to turn it up halfway, if that, since the speakers are brand new. This is being played on my custom ported box tuned to 38 hertz. And let's see what she sounds like.
Gosh, I even sound younger. Jesus. Yeah, that's terrible. Actually, it looks pretty clean though, and it sounds a lot better than it does in the video. I didn't put any kind of sound deadening in here. Yeah, no dynamat, no sound deadening, nothing. So please don't judge me.
And there it is. How was it?
Awesome! Loud!
She had no idea what loud was until now. Awesome.